Hey, Escambia County Public Schools. Welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today, we're going to be going over your Gradebook Categories and making sure your linked marking periods does not include the combined summer quarter. And if it does, we're going to show you how to remove it. Let's get started. So, you've been told you've selected combined summer quarter for your marking periods in one of your gradebooks. That would be due to this, right down here, the combined summer quarter. But we're here in quarter one. How do we fix that? Well, we're going to go to the gradebook. When we're in the gradebook, we're going to click on Category. In Category, Weekly Citizenship is one of the categories I have set up, so I'm going to click on it. When I talk about linked marking periods, so right here, combined summer quarter selected. So if I don't want to have that, which I don't, I'm going to uncheck combined summer quarter. Then I'm going to click on Save. You'll get a question asking, are you sure you want to remove this category from the marking periods combined summer quarter? Yes. I'm going to hit remove. It's going to say, you want to remove it from all of them? Yes. So it removes it. So when I look back, look, combined summer quarter is not checked. So that's been cleaned up. Now, I did that here for my citizenship class. I may have other sections that are set up the same way. So let me just go take a look at my language arts section. Click on category. Here I have 4 different categories. If I click on this first one, reading, I'm going to click edit. I have combined summer quarter selected. Click on that to uncheck it. Hit save, say remove. I'm going to hit save. Now I've done it for the first category, but now I have to repeat that process for each one of my categories where I have combined summer quarter selected. I've hit saved, I've hit removed. Just removing it. I'm just repeating that process. Hit remove again, save. Again, one more time I'll do it, but I'm going to do this one slower. Again, here, language. It's the last one. Again, I'm going down. It's linked marking periods. Combined summer quarter. I am unchecking combined summer quarter. Now, I have to make sure I hit save. It's going to go, are you sure you want to remove it? Yes, I want to remove it. Are you sure you want to remove it from all those gradebooks? Yes. Then it hits save. So now it is moved. And again, if I go back to that very first one, look, it's no longer there. Again, I did set up other sections, on here, so it's going to have the same thing. Go in here, say, find summer quarter, unchecked, hit save, remove. Yes, I want to save it to both, all those, so it's going to take them out. And here, as it's taken out of here for the combined summer, the other ones I had multiple sections. Like here I have multiple sections that are appearing here. So it's going to take them out of those as well. So I'm going to hit save, remove. It's going to remove them out of there. So again, it's been removed out of this class. Could also go to this math class. And it took it out of some of them. So if I start here from this one, it's not there. It has been taken out. Classwork and quizzes. It wasn't because this section is only linked to this math section. That's why it wasn't taken out. So now I'm going to hit save, hit remove, hit save. It's taken it out. Just double check on fluency. Again, fluency is only here in this math one. Again, so for this section, math section, these 2 categories are their own categories in here, but the summative assessments category is linked to multiple sections, to my science, social studies, and math. So when I removed it from the earlier one, it removed them from there, but I still had to go clean up these other 2 and get it out. And I have one last section. I'm just going to double check it to make sure everything's fully taken care of. Again, that summative is that same one, so I already took it out. It's not there. And this one, that's the formative assessments. I already took that one out because that, again, was linked in that previous class. So this section's good. So now I have cleaned up my gradebook, so I'm no longer on that other report my administrator had talked to me about. And that's another Byte of Tech from your Student Data Systems team. Thank you for watching. Check out some of our videos to learn more. While you're at it, click on that subscribe button to be notified of new content. Until next time.